Now that you have your 3" by 1/2" strip of paper, make a mark at the 1 and the 2 inches, really small. Now fold your 1/2" side in half. And cut a small slit at the 1 and 2 inch marks and open up. Now take the small circle cutouts from magazines. If you haven't cut your magazine pieces of paper into circles, do so now. You can draw a circle on the back and cut it out so that the pencil lines don't show. And then when they're cut out, glue these onto the headband base. And they don't need to be perfect circles, mine aren't. I drew them freehand. But if that bothers you, then you could find some small circle stencils. And some can go off the edge and be a semicircle or a half circle. Once the headband base is how you want it, take your small white piece of paper, fold it in half, and cut out the ears at the same time. Now cut a small square of yellow construction paper. Fold this in half to be the inner ear part that would normally be pink. Try to make the inner ear shape smaller than the outer ears of the white paper you just cut. Fold it up against the white paper if they're too big. Then trim down until they're smaller. Put glue on the backs of the yellow inner ear and press down. Now both of the ears and the headband base are ready. To attach the ears to the headband base, put a little bit of glue on the tip of an ear. Open up the slit by bending the headband. And slide the tip of the ear in. Now take the glued tip and press it flat against inside of the headband. Still holding on to this, carefully bend the ear at the bottom to face forward instead of face aside. Repeat with the second ear. tip in, press it flat against the headband base, hold that triangle underneath, and press and fold to have the second ear face forward. I take the glue stick, put glue on the underside of the headband, and press this down on top of your egg. Make sure to try to cover the seams of your paper egg if there are any.